Well, here we go, look, we're just back and we have no power.
No.
So, yeah, all the TV, everything's off. And I think it went off during the night. And I have been to reception. Sorry, just turn around that way. I've been to reception already and it's site-wide. It's not just our particular bollard. So they've been in touch with the electricity board. That's an old word, electricity board. Remember
shows
those?
what an old fart you are to say
Oh,
that.
thank you very much. But this is why you have a gas kettle. So, yeah, first thing in the morning we need a cup of tea. And I can't have bacon sandwiches, look. Or a cup of coffee actually.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, I'm asking for money back if they don't sort it out. This type of thing drives me mad. There's no toilets or showers open, but I want a shower. So if I'm able to have a shower and they don't open their own showers, then I'm afraid I shall be asking for a refund. Because, you know, if you aren't going to give us the ability to use our own facilities, then sorry, I want my money back.
Yeah, true. But anyway, so what we've done is we turned the fridge power off. You can put it onto gas, but remember I bought the smaller gas bowl, but it's cold enough in there anyway. So just in case I want to preserve the gas, gotta have bacon sandwiches. And of course we have internet. We got full 4G, still got connection to the outside world. This thing has a battery in it, which lasts bloody ages. So, gas kettle, yes. Got that years ago, thought we'll never use it, but here we go. Now being used.
I've been handy several times.
Yeah, that's actually, yeah.
Because on overseas sites you often get power blips.
Yeah.
But not for long.
And don't forget the bottles of water, because you'll need those for your teeth until the power comes back on.
We always go and fill those up at the water.
Ooh, it's cold. Look at that frost in the field.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
They're really long people, look.
We are very long people. Morning.
Morning.
There we go. She's off for a morning jog.
It's a decent dog walking area, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yeah, it really is a decent one. She can have a good run.
They've got this massive dog walk area and you go all the way around the outside look. And then you've got that big open air bit to let your dogs off. Very good.
Oh no. Is that a shotgun?
Go on then. She's a bit.
Like that banging. Don't
Well,
like that
okay.
banging. It's like she wants to go out. She don't like that banging at all. You alright?
What are you doing then, Jess?
You alright?
What's that?
Is that scary? Come on then.
Yeah. So where's she gone now then? Oh, what's this? So where's this go?
The hidden bit of woodland at the end. I think the canal's that way. So I
Okay.
reckon this is just a little circular woodland route.
Oh yeah, okay. So you got...
Just like an add-on to the walk, isn't it?
Well, the walks. Wow, big.
Yeah.
That's cool. Cool, cool, cool.
Do you know, of all the sites we've been to, that's the best. It's a pretty good sunset as well. Do you know, I'm hot now.
I know. You're always hot, Steve.
Well, no, because we just come off of a power cut, haven't we, for the whole site,
Yeah.
which meant we then switched our heating onto gas. Oh, by the way, I did do that after we cooked the bacon, because
Yes.
I only bought the little gas bottle with not much gas left
Yeah.
in it.
But we don't
Needless to say, they got it all back on again now, but
Yeah, we don't know when it went off though, but when we woke up it was freezing, wasn't it?
yeah, yes, it was freezing. But yeah, consequently, because it's on gas, our heating is better on gas than it is on electric. So
Mind
same
you-
temperature, it's really hot in here.
Yeah, but Steve gets hot at the drop of a hat. I promise you that. Though having said that, last night, going to a pub for the first time and sitting outside is not all it's cracked up to be in April, is it?
Do you know, I think the gloss of it wears off when you actually get to do it. It sounds quite appealing, doesn't it? Let's go to a pub for the first time and sit outside. So you have your first sip of beer and you go, yeah, it's getting cold now, isn't it? And you know, we went t-shirts, fleeces, jackets, and there was people there wearing with blankets and all sorts. Trying to, yeah, and yeah, we're going there tonight, but
Our
I
tops.
I
Is
think we'll just have a main meal, won't bother with starters and all that. She goes, do you want a dessert? I went, no, you just...
No.
No, just no. Just no. Anyway. So yeah, we found out after we've... the fridge was bleeping, that's why I woke up. And then we went off to take you-know-who for a walk, didn't we?
Yeah,
Your
teeth.
morning walk.
Your teeth need doing. Oh, your teeth are grim.
Right, okay, that's another job. But of course people are moaning on the site because I've just been to empty the toilet. This is another topic. The Caravan and Camping Club that we're booked into for the Make Bank holiday, the first one, which is only a couple of weeks' time, their toilets are open but the showers aren't, right? Whereas here, everything's closed, but you'll have to be self-sufficient.
Yes.
You
So
know what that means?
if you're used to only using your toilet for number ones, that's going to have to change. Caravan and Camping Club, it's Caravan and Motorhome Club are allowing toilets open, aren't they?
Yeah, but it's only from May the 17th, mid-May anyway, when both of them allow it.
Can't see the sense in that though. What's the risk? As long as they
Well,
follow...
there's a massive queue this morning with everybody with
queue trying to get rid of their
buckets.
stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
I can't see any risk because with the Caravan and Motorhome Club and the Caravan and Camping Club, they had the wristband thing or the wristband thing, so only a couple of people could go in the toilets anyway.
So, what do you think of this site then? I've been here.
I've been here twice before. You've been here 3 times, haven't you?
Yeah.
I really, this is a beautiful
No,
site.
no, we don't need you to be showing.
Yeah, okay. Jess, upsy, come on. Come on, Jess.
Can you get a towel? Get that. Put it on her bit. She'll soon move. I'm doing this because you don't want to see.
You really don't want to. Anyway. Right. Devizes Caravan and Camping... What is the actual name of this site? Is it Devizes Caravan and Camping Club site?
Correct.
Oh, right. Okay. It's really imaginative. Well, we've been here together twice before. You've been on your own as well, haven't you?
Yeah. In fact, I had a pitch couple down the corner there, so...
Actually, it's a lovely site. Caravan and Camp. It's one of the better Caravan and Camping Club sites. It's big. It's right next to the canal. You can walk to the pub. It's got brilliant dog walk.
I had never been on the dog walk when we were here together, or last time, because we had no dog.
We had no dog, that's right.
But this time, you loved it, didn't you? That dog walk is superb, I have to say.
don't know where left takes you. Seen or I don't know. Right takes you to the pub, the Barge Inn pub. Do book though. Look it up and book. Don't just turn up, especially under COVID restrictions, because several people were turned away last night when we were there, weren't they?
Yeah.
Because they hadn't booked.
Got greeted with, have you booked? No, we can't. We have no more seats. But we had booked. So you can do it online. Just book online.
Just book online, yeah. And today we're going to go up into the little town of Devizes and do some shopping. It's a pretty little town.
That'd be lovely. The shops are open. Oh, we can.
I'll do the shopping. Steve will be walking the dog around.
Yeah, I'll probably be outside. But hey, the weather's lovely.
It is lovely blue sky. It is quite chilly. It was frosty this morning.
It's not chilly now. Just
Yeah.
walked to just stood in the queue down there. T-shirt.
Devizes town centre is a glorious little place to visit. We found the medieval trail, which we'd never discovered before in all the times we visited Devizes. Do check it out. There's some amazing old buildings that you just walk past and don't notice. Take the time to notice. And then lovely independent shop like this vintage emporium with loads of interesting things there.
Yeah, and that shop was dog friendly as well, wasn't it? We even took Jess in there.
Yeah, that's right. Including dogs, as you can see.
And we even took her down the stairs to the basement.
Which was supposed to be haunted, and apparently dogs don't like it, but Jess was fine.
Yeah.